Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
Come on guys, BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans, and tonight, Immokalee freaking Regional Raceway we got going on. Look at Cool Whip, just looking flawless like my dreams. And you may notice something a little bit different. Thanks to our good friend Chase, hooked us up with some new slicks here. Well, they ain't new, but they're a lot new. More new than them Who's Your Daddies were on there. We got a good night of racing going on tonight. We are testing for the no prep that is tomorrow. So we're gonna run the 650 sandbagger class. So we'll see how it goes. Never been on no prep, so here we go, dudes. Oh, uh-oh.
What up?
Backyard Shenanigans. And take the Cool Whip down the right side.
The new Sticky Mickeys, thank you Chase very much for those. On Cool Whip are working pretty good. That pass I went a 660 at 107. Still spinning pretty hard. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, there it is. Whatever. It went 664 at 107. With a 1.62 60 foot. Which, you know, honestly for no prep, first time on the no prep surface ever with this thing, so I'm happy with it. And you know, I'm running the 650 class tomorrow. I'm just gonna leave it alone. You know, it'll go faster, I think. I just have to sit and make a little bit more boost out of the hole, but that's if the track comes around, so wish me luck tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Slam down that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next video.